In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change line spacing on Wix. Whether you're designing a personal blog, a business website, or anything in between, adjusting line spacing can make a huge difference in how your text is presented. Properly spaced text enhances readability, gives your site a more polished look, and ensures that your visitors can easily absorb the information you're sharing. The best part, Wix makes it simple and intuitive to customize this setting. So let's dive in and I'll walk you through the process step by step. The first thing you'll need to do is log into your Wix account. Once you're in, select the specific site you want to work on. If you have multiple projects going, make sure you're picking the right one for this task. This will take you to your site's dashboard where you can access all your editing tools. Next, open the Wix Website Editor. This is where all the magic happens. The editor is the space where you can tweak and customize every element on your site, from images to fonts, and of course, the line spacing within your text. Once you're in the editor, locate the text you want to adjust. This could be a paragraph, a heading, or even a block of text within a specific section. Take a moment to scan the page and make sure you found the exact area you'd like to edit. This step is important because you want to ensure you're working on the right text element. Now, click on the text area. When you do this, a context menu will pop up, giving you a variety of options. This menu is essentially your gateway to customizing the selected text. Your next step is to click on the Edit Text option in this menu. This will open the text formatting sidebar, which is where you'll find all the tools you need for this adjustment. In the formatting sidebar, look for an option called Character and Line Spacing. Depending on how familiar you are with the Wix editor, you may need to scroll a little to find it, but don't worry, it's there. Once you see it, click on it. This will open up the tools specifically designed to help you adjust the spacing between your lines of text. Now comes the fun part, adjusting the line spacing itself. You'll notice a slider or an input field where you can either drag to increase or decrease the space, or manually type in a value. As you make these adjustments, you'll see the changes happen in real time on your screen. This is incredibly helpful because it allows you to experiment and find the perfect spacing for your needs. Take a moment to review the changes. Check how the text looks in relation to the rest of the content on your page. Does it look clean and easy to read? Is it aligned with the overall design of your site? You can keep fine-tuning the spacing until it feels just right. Once you're happy with how everything looks, simply click outside the text box. This action automatically saves the changes for you. It's as easy as that. No need to hunt for a save button or worry about losing your work. And there you have it. Adjusting line spacing on Wix is a straightforward process that can have a big impact on how your site looks and feels. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.